At App Brothers Records, we treat your records like we treat our records. We take great pride in making sure that the record we deliver to you is in the best condition it can possibly be. We have a cleaning process. We use an Audiodesk system machine. The Audiodesk system machine will first start rotating the album. It will clean any dust off. Then a tank fills with distilled water in a cleaning solution, and 4 microfiber brushes are then applied to the vinyl that will reach deep into the grooves and pull out any imperfections. Then the tank drains and the album is blow dried by the machine, removing any excess water and cleaning solution. Once the album is cleaned, we do a careful visual inspection under a bright light to determine any imperfections in the vinyl, scratches or scuffs or things like that that need to be identified to the potential buyer. Then we test play the album on our turntable to make sure the sound quality is adequate. After we test play each album, we then carefully photograph it so that each buyer can see the actual product they'll be purchasing. Then we carefully place the vinyl outside of the cover into a polypropylene sleeve where it's sealed until the album is purchased. All of this is delivered to each customer in a carefully packaged box to ensure that no damage will occur in the shipping process. For more information, visit our website at appbrothersrecords.com, where you can purchase these records. Also, you can purchase them at Pammy Sammy's in Winter Garden, Florida.